Hello and welcome to dance lesson with Egils. Today we will dance quickstep and our topic is natural turn and natural turn with hesitation. We will see technical details of pull step which man uses in natural turn and difference between pull step and normal backward step. And in second part we will do simple routine which includes of course natural turn and natural turn with hesitation. Natural turn in quickstep, man steps. Man starts with a right foot, he goes forward with left foot to side, closes right foot to left foot, goes with left foot back. Now he pulls right heel to left foot, small step to side, and then with left foot step forward from heel. In this direction, with right foot forward, left foot to side, close right foot to left foot back. Now we draw a right heel and close and go small step to side, and with left foot step forward. With teaching count and slow, quick, slow, slow, slow. Again, and slow, quick, slow, slow, slow. Now ladies steps. Lady starts of course with left foot, back to side, close, then forward to side, small step, and with right foot step back. From this angle, with left foot, back to side, close, forward, small step to side, and with right foot back. With teaching count and slow, quick, slow, slow, slow. Again, and slow, quick, slow, slow, slow. Now let's look at technical details of pull step, which man uses in natural turn. So normal step back would be if we release toe from the floor and then we put toe again on the floor. Again, this is normal step. We release toe and we put toe on the floor. In pull step is different situation. We keep heel on the floor and toe is off the floor or upwards, like this. And then toe is touching the floor and we have inside edge of foot and we go next to side with inside edge of foot and then whole foot. Let's look again. So man goes back, draws right heel, toe is up, but then when we close, toe also touches the floor and we have inside edge of foot. Now we go to side. It's either very small step, it could be bigger step, and here is whole foot. Okay? Now you know the difference between simple backward step and backward step with heel pull. Natural turn with hesitation. As we see in the name of figure, there is some hesitation. We have extra slow. So for example, man will start first three steps the same, forward to side, close, now we go back, this is the same, and now we do pull step. We start in the same way, but we do bigger side step, so we go to side, and now we close inside edge of left toe without weight. We don't have next step with left foot. So we have second part with extra slow. Slow, quick, slow, slow, slow. Again, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. So we have extra slow and we have bigger side step compared to natural turn without hesitation, let's say. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, forward to side, and this is bigger step to side, and we close left toe without weight. From this angle, and back to side, close, forward to side, bigger step, and close without weight. We teach in count, and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. And now we will do routine, natural turn, cross chasse, natural turn with hesitation, reverse turn and progressive chasse. Man steps, man starts with right foot and dances natural turn, forward to side, close, back, small step to side, with left foot step forward, and we continue in cross chasse, to side, close. It is called cross because next step will be crossing outside partner, so we do next step and dance natural turn with hesitation, forward in CBMP, to side, close, back, heel pull, to side and close left foot without weight. Now we will do reverse turn, forward to side, close and progressive chasse, back, side, close, side and slightly forward. Now with teaching count, man steps and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Now lady steps. Lady dance is natural turn, back to side, close, forward, small step to side and backward step. We continue into cross chasse, side, close and cross. It is called because next step is in one line or in cross. Next step is backward in one line or in small cross, which is CBMP, called CBMP. So we go back to side, close, forward to side, close without weight. This was natural turn with hesitation. Now reverse turn, back to side, close and progressive chasse, forward, side, close, side and slightly back. With teaching count and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's do quick step routine to music. Now I would like to thank my patrons on Patreon. Thank you very much for supporting me and my dance video lessons on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you. And for all of you who watch my videos, I would like to say stay healthy, stay safe, and of course keep dancing.